A matte black and you met. Hi friends, welcome back. Thanks so much for stopping by. I thought I would give you guys this fun bonus film of St. Patrick's Day look that I put together. Yeah, so without any further ado, subscribe if you haven't already. Hitting the notification bell so that you can be notified every single time that I upload. And let's jump right in. I am trying a little something new. Hopefully this is kind of a nice zoomed in look for you guys and you can see kind of better how to do the makeup application. I'm not really sure. Also, I'm kind of trying to keep my hair out of the situation at the moment. So, starting with Makeup Geek Peach Smoothie, I'm going to run that into the crease and transition area. This is going to be a skin tone or nearly skin tone color that you want to use. And I'm using the Smith 232 to apply this. It's just a nice big fluffy blending brush. Hopefully I can stay in focus for you guys. I'm sporting around with this prime lens here. I'm wanting to really get some good video. I'm really, as much as I love the makeup portion of it and the filming the makeup, I really enjoy the filming as well. So I got my inspiration from an Irish woman, Eimear, McClellan? I call her my Irish washerwoman. She has really beautiful makeup, and I'm going to go ahead and link her channel down below. This is where I got my inspiration from. So the next shade I'm going to take is from my Morphe 35M palette, and I'm going to, can I get it over there? Right there, that shade. Okay, and I'm going to run that in the crease and just give myself a nice green wash of color. Sorry, she uses a Makeup Geek shadow that is no longer being made, so I had to improvise. Otherwise, I would normally dip into my singles, but I don't have any singles that are green like this. Next shadow I'm taking is a really dark green. It is a shimmer, and I'm going to be packing it all over the lid. For that, I'll use my MAC 242 brush. So this is the one where you have to be a little bit careful, so I'm going to go ahead and apply it. Tap off the excess and then start adding it to the outer lid and all over the lid, but I'm just going to be really careful just to make sure that I don't get any fallout. These darker shades are they're just known for that. It's okay, we're going to blend it out. Ah, stay in focus. Some of this. This is a nice, I don't know, it's a little bit more alternative to your St. Patty's Day looks. I promise my makeup application is a lot better than this. I just still have to learn all of the video portion of it and get that all linked up together and working and harmonizing. So thanks so much for your patience in all this. And I'm really not this bad at makeup. even though you probably think that I am. I promise I'm not. I just want to get you guys the best viewing situation I can possibly get, and sometimes it requires a little bit of, well, first going out of your comfort zone, and second, doing some things that you're not used to doing, and it kind of makes it a little bit more difficult. Alright, I am going to go ahead and add a little bit more of that we started out with. I'm going to go ahead and dip into that Morphe shadow just a little bit, get myself a little something to blend with. I'm really kind of liking the way that looks, and with it being open you still can see some of it, and it's just nice and really like dark and rich looking, and I kind of like that for a St. Patrick's Day look. I know it's not really coming across camera that well, but there is quite a bit of a green shift in that MV color, and I really like that. With a push liner brush, I'm gonna take some of this envy, place it underneath my lash line, smoke it out, get in there right nice and tight, all the way up, starting on the outer lash portion and then running it up into the inner tear duct area once you've feathered off most of that color. Run just a little bit of that on the very top portion as well. Grab matte black will do. I'm also going to take my push liner brush and stamp in a bit of a upper lash. Lastly, just make sure everything is blended completely and thoroughly. I want to go ahead and take some of that peach smoothie and run it along the lower lash line and give myself a little bit more of a smoked out look instead of a harsh liner. For that, I'll use my 825 brush from Anastasia, dip into this peach smoothie, and buff out this lower lash line. Does look like, I don't know if you can see it on camera or not, it does look like I have a little bit of fallout. So I'm going to go ahead and try to brush that away. Think about it, I got overzealous with that in the shade on the lower lash line. Okay guys, I will be right back with liner and lashes. Okay, so this is it with liner and lashes, but I did want to do one last thing. I don't feel like it would be St. Patrick's Day if we didn't have just a little bit of fun. So I am going to take this neon green shade here and pop it in the inner corner as a highlight. I thought that would be really fun. So with a Makeup Geek pencil brush, dip into this shade right here and then add it to the inner corner highlight. I wanted something to do with this shadow here. It's not even coming across on camera the way I want it to. There we go. And then I am going to kind of slightly push it in there. Like that. You can, of course, highlight the brow bone, but I just, sometimes when I do the inner corner highlight, I don't really like to highlight the brow bone. I want the inner corner to do the talking for me. Yeah, I like that. Can't really see it though. There you have it. Okay, so I'm going to be zoomed out in like 0.3 and I will show you the full look, and I think you guys will love it. Alright, be back here in 0.3. Thanks so much again for stopping by, guys. I hope you'll choose to subscribe to my channel for content like this if you really truly enjoy it, and don't forget to hit that like if you like what you see and you want to see more.